What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Uktam, and in this tutorial series we're going to be learning Node.js. Specifically, we're going to be building an API with pure JS, and we're not going to be using any third-party libraries. And before we start this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Node.js. And you can download Node.js through this link. I'll put a link in the description. Let me quickly go over to this website. As you can see, using this link, you can download it according to your system. For example, I use Windows, so I can install it using only this installer packages. And if you have already installed, then you're good to go. But make sure Node.js has been installed. To test it out, you go to your terminal. I'm just using Visual Studio Code, and just type node and hit enter. And it might say something like this, which means it's okay, it has been already installed. Now you're really good to go. Okay, before I finish this video, I'm gonna be quickly go over the steps that we're going to take to make this API. Okay, firstly, we're gonna be building an API that listens on a port and accepts incoming HTTP requests for post, get, put, delete, and head. And then the API allows the client to connect, then create a new user, then edit and delete that user. Thirdly, the API allows the user to sign in, which gives them a token that they can use for subsequent authenticated requests, which means if you have registered and signed into this API, and then you'll be given a token that you can use to make API calls. Without any token, you cannot make API calls. Then the API allows the user to sign out, which invalidates their token, which means if you sign out, your token will not be available. Fifth, the API allows the signed-in user to use their token to create a new check, and we're gonna be restricting each user to make only 5 checks at a time. Then, sixth, the API allows the signed-in user to edit or delete any of their checks. That's already cool, I think. And the last one, in the background, workers perform all the checks at the appropriate times and send alerts to the user when a check changes its state from up to down or vice versa. We're gonna be making this uptime monitoring app throughout this tutorial series, and I think if you're already passionate about this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if you're really ready to go, please click the next video to continue with me. See you guys, bye.